action. Hi guys, it's Calypso from the Pippy Unicorn, and we have 3 slimes here that I'm going to show you guys. I don't know what these are. I haven't filled them that much.
At 4:30. So after your equipment thing, they're going to do a 5:30 to 6:30 workout as well. Right? So I'm going to bring him down tomorrow at 4:30.
Okay. So I'm going to check
It's going to be a lot of work.
this one first.
He's been doing workouts.
This is going to be 5
So
okay.
I think it'll be good.
So look at that. It's not even slime. It doesn't even stretch that.
Maybe his little brother was running next year.
Oh my god.
I wouldn't be surprised if Devin joined though.
Yeah, you're right actually. Oh, that's right. Yeah, because Devin will be there next year.
No, he got kept back.
The year after. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get it all out of the bag for you guys. And we're gonna be this a very quick video because I'm making it 5 minutes. So, sorry if you hear things in the background because Aurelia is playing a game with Persephone. So. Oh, make sure to subscribe, turn notifications, and make this video a big thumbs up. And make sure to watch the full video because it's going to be fun. Okay, so I finally got it all out. It took a little bit longer than I expected. And I got it all out.
They don't tell me what it is.
And it's not even stretchy. It's white. It's like, look at that. Did you just hear that, guys?
Oh, man.
You hear that?
I'm a happy dog.
I can do whatever. Look at that. It's so weird. But that's a pretty good slime. It's actually goo, I think. And goo is not slime. So I thought it was slime. It's goo. I'm going to do this back up. Okay, here's a hot slime. I'm very excited to see what it feels like. Oh, it's not stretchy at all. And it doesn't feel good. Look at that. It's now getting foggy. But it's not that stretchy. See, look at it. If it's in like a big chunk, it is. But if it's not, it's in like a regular like stretch. But that's a bad slime. Hopefully you guys saw it. And I'm going to do one more slime with you because it's 5 minutes, I told them. 5 minutes. And we're going to have one more. It looks like that. It's blue, it's navy. If you don't know what navy means, it means like a very dark blue. See that? That's a navy right there. It's a jiggly slime that actually stretches. Because jiggly slime doesn't really stretch. See? That jiggly. Jiggly. And this white slimes are jiggle too. So, you should make your own goo. I don't know how to make it. But you guys should go see if you can make it. It's up online.
Oh, I got a notification. Pool parties at Stewie's.
Okay. This was a very fun thing. It's been only 3 minutes. We have 2 more minutes until it's 5 minutes. So I really need to close this up. But I'm going to show you my Valentine's Day chocolates because I love Valentine's Day chocolates. So I'm going to show you them. They're caramel chocolates. And this is what the wrappers look like. And there's gold ones. And my sister's been trading me for their candy, and they have one of mine. So that's under this video because it's been 4 minutes, and probably I'm gonna take 1 more minute to talk. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you my Valentine's card. It says What does that say, Dad?
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter. Heart, flowers, buds, glitter, every sweet. Valentine's Day is so you. Happy Heart Day. That means Happy Valentine's Day. Or Happy Love Day. But it says heart right here. It says love. Grampy and Nana. XXXOOO. It's XXX, but they call it XX. I call it XOXOXO. And look at the cover, it's so cute. So it's been actually 5 minutes, so I need to end this video. But bye!